Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about an important grammar point, and that is tense. Now, what is tense? Tense means the time of work, time of any activity, time of any occurrence or happening. In a short, we can say that tense is the period of time and the time of activities. We are given an example. Suppose this man is Jisan. Today, Jisan reads a book. But this Jisan yesterday went to market. This Jisan tomorrow will visit his relatives. Look at the board here. Today, what does Jisan do? Jisan reads a book. So here we can write Jisan reads a book. What does Jisan did yesterday? We can write Jisan went to market. What will Jisan do tomorrow? Here Jisan will visit his relatives. This work Jisan does today. It's present time. Today means present time. So Jisan reads a book. It will be present tense. What did Jisan do yesterday? Jisan went to market. This work Jisan did yesterday. It is the past time. It has been past. We have no result at our hand. So what will be it called? It will be past tense. Again, look at this. What will Jisan do tomorrow? Jisan will visit his relatives. This work is not for today. This work is not for past or yesterday. This work will happen tomorrow, in future. So it is called future tense. So according to the time period of any activity, tense are mainly divided into three divisions. One is present tense, second is past tense, third is future tense. But if we arrange this, past will be past tense, second will be present tense, third will be future tense. So today we will learn about the present tenses. Okay? So let's start about present tense. Present tense, we already discussed that which activities happens today, what we do today, what the people do today, what other persons do today, that is called present tense. I am giving an example for better understanding. I think that this example will make everyone very clear. Suppose Karim today Karim reads a book. Karim reads a book today, but only he doesn't read today. It's his habitual activity, usual activity, that Karim reads a book. Such kind of activity is usual or habitual. But suppose 8:30. The time is 8:30. What is Karim doing? Karim is reading a book. Karim is reading a book. What is the time? Here we find that it is current time. Current time, or we can tell it running activity. Running time. Okay, and 9:30, suppose Karim has finished his reading. That means Karim has read a book. Read a book. Here, same spelling, read, reads, but when it will be here, it is pronounced read. Same R-E-A-D, read, but when it will be here, that means the work has been finished just. At that time, same spelling, R-E-A-D, read, will be pronounced read. Karim has read a book. Now, Karim will write a summary, and he has started writing the summary. Suppose it is 10 o'clock and Karim started writing summary 9:31. Now it is 10 o'clock. So let me give the example. Karim has been writing the summary of a book from when? 9:31. Since 9:31. He started from 9:31. That means he has been working since 9:31. Karim has been writing the summary of a book since 9:31. Here, the work is current, but has a starting point. The work is current but has a starting point. But think of here, this is current time or running time, but what it lacks? It has no starting point, no starting point. And think of it done work. Karim has read a book. This work has been done. It is done work, but recently done. We have result at our hand. These four types of, this is a work, this is a word, this is a word, and this is a word. Such kinds of works happens in the present time. This is a usual work or habitual work. It is called present indefinite. This is current work but has no starting point. This is present continuous. And this work has been already done. It is finished, but the result is at the hand. This is called present perfect. And now the last one is this. This is also current work. It is running work, but it has a starting point. Look at this. Karim has been writing the summary of a book since 9:31. This is the starting point. So it's called present perfect continuous. So these are the 4 items, 4 tenses of present tense. So what are they? Present indefinite, we'll give number 1, number 2 present continuous, number 3 present perfect, and number 4 present perfect continuous. So dear friends, step by step we will learn about tenses. We will learn about the divisions of every major tenses. Everybody, please keep me in your prayer, and I also keep you in my prayer. If Allah help us, we will be able to do everything correctly. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.